In high-speed wood carving, heat is the primary enemy of precision. Without the correct cutter geometry, friction builds up, leading to scorched fibers and premature bit degradation. At Wade Media Labs, we launched a rotary performance audit. We analyzed 30 professional-grade bits for material removal rates, heat dissipation, and edge fidelity. For heavy-duty stock removal, we audited the Dremel 9901 tungsten carbide cutter. Its high-density metallurgy and aggressive flute design allow for maximum kinetic displacement in hardwoods without stalling the rotary motor. Fine detail requires edge fidelity. We measured the Dremel 125 high-speed steel cutter. While less durable than carbide, its sharper cutting edge provides the surgical precision needed for intricate textures and clean relief lines. For power carving, we audited saber-tooth structured carbide bits. Their sand-free technology utilizes needle-like teeth to maximize abrasive flux, preventing the clogging that compromises standard sanding drums. We measured thermal recovery. High-performance bits must clear chips efficiently to prevent heat soak. Bits with deeper flutes showed a 20% reduction in localized surface temperature during a 5-minute duty cycle. Our audit identified the top 3 efficiency outliers. From the 9901 carbide for bulk removal to the saber-tooth sphere for organic shaping, these winners are verified assets for the 2026 workshop. Don't fight the wood, engineer the removal. In the workshop of the home, the right bit is the only currency that translates power into art. See the full removal logs in our 2026 rotary ranking at Tool. Look for the carving bit technical audit.